today is becoming more like the pop music of yesterday is because little girls, little white girls, have a tremendous influence. They're a huge demographic factor in the buying of records and the setting of taste. They seem to buy a lot of the records. Now, a little white girl from suburban Scarsdale who might chance upon a big Bill Brunzi record and gets the image of this huge threatening black man with a blue work shirt, all sweated at the armholes. It's very hard for her to make that sexual connection. So there's sort of a wall between the black people and this white audience. But in the early 60s, the Beatles and the Rolling Stones, for example, is what it's called rock and roll today, particularly the Beatles, offered a very safe image in producing this music. The little white girl now could listen to the Beatles singing Bill Brunzi's song and find it quite acceptable because the sexual experience that this song was suggesting would be perfectly safe. The romance, the eroticism would gray out into this vague, either asexual or unisexual fantasy. There was no suggestion of violation or even consummation.